39A just in front of us. We have 4 more shuttle missions planned. They will all come from this launch pad. Very historic site. Between 1969 and 1972, 6 Saturn V moon rockets launched off this very pad that resulted in landings on the moon. This is the only place on planet Earth where mankind has stepped off the Earth and stepped on another part of the solar system. As you watch those 2 videos, you notice the technicians always will tell you they have the best jobs here at Kennedy Space Center. I taught high school history for 30 years, and I can tell you without a doubt this is the nicest classroom I've ever had. Typically I do 2 tours a day, get to meet wonderful people like you. It doesn't get better than this. I'm a history teacher, and now I get to drive around where history is in the making every day. And I want to thank you so much for choosing to tour with us today. We appreciate you being with us. Thank you so much. No, thank you. By the way, I shared that with another group of adults, and there was one little boy, 6 years old, who was sitting on the back seat of the bus. And when the tour came to an end, and I asked him, I said, "Would you like to be an astronaut?" And he said, "No." I said, "Really? You wouldn't want to be an astronaut?" He said, "Nope." I said, "Well, what's your dream? What would you like to be?" He said, "An ice cream tester." I want to know how you sign up for that job. Ladies and gentlemen, Launch Complex 39B right here in front of us. Now you'll notice there's some huge towers that have been erected out here. This is a lightning suppression system. And this lightning suppression system was built out here to launch taller rockets of the future. Now the last rocket to come off this pad was an Ares 1X on a test launch. That was back on October 28th of last year on a suborbital flight unmanned, testing the crew rocket of the Constellation program. Now if you look in front of us, you'll notice that there is a grade or a 5-degree incline that the crawler has to go up to put that platform on the top of that pad. Now that crawler has self-leveling hydraulic jacks that pick the back of that platform up to keep it perfectly level as it goes up this 5-degree grade. That keeps the shuttle or any other rocket that we're launching out here from tipping over. These launch pads were originally designed to be built on ground level. But as they were doing core sampling out here, they discovered rather quickly that the water table is very close to the surface of the ground. You don't have to dig very far down to hit water, which would greatly increase the cost and the engineering problems of digging out for the flame trench. So, to get around that problem, they built these launch pads, 39A and 39B, off the ground. That means that they had to engineer that crawler to go up that 5-degree incline and keep the platform at the top perfectly level.